Hey guys, it's Sophie from Currys, and today we're looking at the Sony LinkBuds and 3 reasons why you don't want to miss out on this unmistakable tech. You'll always be connected and aware, they're super small, light and comfortable, and you'll be able to hear music and calls clearly. I'm off to the lab now to test them out. So we're here in the lab and we're looking at the Sony LinkBuds. Now, when you're wearing these, you're always going to be connected and aware. They're described as always being on, connecting your online and offline worlds. And what Sony mean by this is if you're listening to music or you're taking a call, you're always going to be able to hear the ambient sounds around you thanks to the open ring design. Now, to test this out, we have created this. It's got a LinkBud in each ear, and we're going to head out like you're on a walk with me, listening to music. Just pop your headphones on and you'll feel like you're there. Okay, we're outside and you're listening to music and you will still be able to hear me and the traffic like that big lorry, as well as your music, which is great if you're in the office and you take a video call, you'll be able to hear someone calling your name, but also if you're out on a run, you're going to be able to hear the traffic as well as your music. And that's thanks to the newly developed ring type driver unit. And just look at the design. You can literally see me through it, and that is going to let in the ambient sound organically. Sony call these the marvel of miniaturization. They are super small, light, and a really comfortable fit. They've been designed with ear-shaped data, which has been collected since 1982, which is when the first set of in-ear headphones were created. They're a perfect ergonomic fit, which matches the human ear, and they're so comfortable and super stable. They also just weigh 4 grams, which is perfect. You can wear them for long periods of time, and you kind of forget that you're wearing them. Thanks to the precise voice pickup technology, no matter where you're taking a call, the person on the end of the line will always be able to hear you clearly. And your music will always sound well balanced thanks to the integrated V1 processor, which reproduces the detail in your music for an authentic listening experience. If you want to know more info on the Sony LinkBuds, you can visit us in store, head online, you can even chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.